name's Tammy. I'm a CPB, which is a certified professional bookkeeper. Are you here because you want to know how to pay your business taxes using your BMO account? I'm going to walk you through those steps.
Start by going to Payments and Transfers, and then click on Tax Payment and Filing. So you have to register. It needs a little bit of information from you that you're going to want to make sure lines up with what's on file with the CRA. So I've entered all the information they're requesting. I'm confirming that I've typed it in correctly. So they're recommending that you keep your tax payment and filing service ID. I'm just gonna print this page as a PDF with this contained in the file name so I can search for that when I don't remember where I saved it. Good to know, payments are processed overnight, and I've seen this consistently across all of the banks, so it's not something that's unique to BMO. They take the funds from your account on the payment due date, so what's going to happen is I have to make sure that I'm logged in the business day before it's due to make sure that I've processed this. Let's go ahead and make a payment. Return and payment is when you're filing your HST, which you can do through this, and making a payment. That's not what I'm doing today. Balance due is when you get one of those letters that says, hey, you owe us this money, and then you go to pay it. I am just making a payment. If we select the wrong one between these things, or these GST, HST things, it's not going to show up correctly automatically in our account with the government, and we'll get notices saying we haven't paid for something when we have. So if you've set something up here and you've made a payment and the GST HST statement comes in and says you still owe us this money, don't freak out thinking that the bank lost your money. Call the CRA and see where that money actually ended up. Quite often you'll have thought that you've made an installment, but they've treated it as a return, so it's on a different year, so it's not reflected. The money probably isn't lost, but you do need to call the government to sort it out. So I'm going to choose this. Tax account number. This is going to be your business number with the CRA. In most cases, unless you've got like multiple locations and you've had to open up a few different accounts under the same number, it's going to be RT0001 at the end. Name, HST, installment, because in my brain, that's what this is called. So I'm going to click done. So I've added the account. Now I need to actually make the payment. Oh, interesting. I can only pay this from a checking account, not specifically a savings. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. I've got a confirmation number here that says that this has successfully been processed on this date. I want to keep a copy of this. If something goes wrong, I need that confirmation number and I need the payment date and all of the information that's saved in this file. And we are done. Hope that helps you know how to A, set up the GST HST installment, and B, actually make that payment using BMO online banking.
All right, so now not only have you set up your business taxes, but you also know how to pay them on a regular basis. And remember, for those repeating payments that you need to make, you can set them up for a certain period of time now and not have to remember to do it every month. Set and repeat. I kind of like it that way. Anyway, if you're looking for more BMO related content, there should be a playlist showing up in the top corner of your screen now. There'll also be a link in the description below to that playlist. And if you are looking for information on how to run your business in a less stressful way, that's what we're here to help you do, is find that information quickly and without a lot of stress. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, and we hope to see you in the future.